Hello guys and welcome back po to Tarot Page Philippines. So this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising zodiac sign na Taurus. So kung bago kayo sa channel, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi mo alam yung sun, moon, rising mo, ayan, sa dulo ng video, meron po tayong link para dito. Panoorin nyo po. Readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And kung gusto nyo po magkaroon ng access sa ating extended readings, ayan, i-click na po yung join button sa baba. For spellworks and private readings, you can message me in the link below. And for donations, you can use the thanks button sa baba. Ay, pakilala ko pala sa inyo po, si Mimi, ang bago nating rescued cat. Okay, so let's check. Ano ba yung, kamusta ka na ba, Taurus? So this is for October 6 to 12. So we have here is the 8 of Pentacles. Alam mo, minsan, may sinabi sa akin yung boss ko dati, Taurus, don't work hard, work smart. Alam mo, pinapata ng cards na to dito, that you need to make sure na, huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. Minsan kasi, unang-una, pag hindi tayo tagapagmana ng kumpanya, huwag naman nating bugbugin yung sarili natin, kaka-work. Keep in mind that there is always a better way to do things. Siguro magandang intindihin mo, magkaroon ka ng idea, yung tinatawag na Lean Six Sigma, yung paano mag-eliminate ng mga process na hindi na necessary. So the card is actually saying that you need to learn how to eliminate yung mga waste processes. Yung mga bagay na kumukuha na ng oras mo na hindi naman na dapat. Kung may kailangan eliminate doon, tanggalin mo na, is lang. Kasi, what's keeping you right now is holding you right now is the Ace of Pentacles. So, this card is actually telling me din ang dami mong plan, ang dami mong target, ang dami mong na-manifest siguro, or andun yung, may mga gusto ka na maganap. Pero ang nagiging concern mo is the resources. Sabi nga nung may kasabihan tayo, di ba? Kapag gusto, maraming paraan. Pag ayaw, there's a lot of reasons para takasan to. Dito na yung mindset mo na kailangan mong baguhin. Now, the card is saying na with the Ace of Pentacles, go back to the start and doon mo aralin, ano ba yung mga kailangan mong bigyang pansin, ano ba yung mga kailangan mo na kailangang ayusin o paglaanan. Kasi andito yung point na pinapakita ng cards na you are, paano ba natin point into words? Hindi mo na-utilize and dapat mo utilize. Ang dami sa inyo in-overthink nyo, or yung iba sa inyo, puro salita. So, let's talk more action tayo. Your desire card is the Six of Wands. So, simple lang naman, with the picture action itself, gusto mo ng triumphant entry. Gusto mo ng parang taas noo na ipakita sa mga tao na nagawa ko, na-achieve ko, na-fulfill ko, o na-materialize ko yung mga dreams ko. Dude, madali lang naman sana siya. It's just that kailangan lang talaga, you need to check. O alam mo, parang tignan mo siya, i-approach mo siya in a different way. Minsan, parang bundok, not all the time kailangan mo siyang akyatin kung kailan mo makapunta sa kabilang side. Why not sa gilid ka dumaan? Or andoon na, kung magaling ka, yung tunnel inside. So, there will always be a way on how to conquer yung mountain na nasa harapan natin. Now, yung foundation mo kasi, we have here is a card of the Devil. So, although, yes, tinawag ka na the zodiac sign of money and resources, pero without the proper action, the proper process, o yung mga kailangan mong gawin, dude, walang mangyayari. Pinapakita ng card of the Devil dito kasi na may mga point na siguro toxic Filipino culture in contrast sa Chinese culture, na sila kapag kumikita ng malaki, they still maintain the same lifestyle muna. Then saka ini-invest nila para mas lalong lumaki yung income nila. Unlike with the Filipino, yung mga moments kasi na ngayon lang to, minsan lang to, nagiging out of hand na siya, medyo hindi na nagiging maganda kasi sumusobra na, hindi na nakikeep track. So, you need to also evaluate on that part as well. Now, sa past, what we have here is the Knight of Swords. Now, I'm not sure dito, pero I think medyo pilito. May mga bagay kayong kailangang aminin about your past. Mga kwento na nasabi nyo na medyo sabihin natin dagdag bawas or hindi kompleto. Kasi ang nangyari, ang nakikita ko dito sa Knight of Swords is may iba sa inyo na hindi nyo talaga binigyan ng proper introduction or proper information kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari. Parang ang napipaint na ikaw lagi yung tama or worse yung iba na ikaw yung victim. So, this is something that you need to fix. Sabi ng universe. Mahirap, masakit, kasi pwedeng masira yung pangalan mo, pero kailangan. Kasi the truth will always set us free. At ang nakakaloka dito, malalaman at malalaman ng mga tao to. Kasi kahit minsan ang tago natin ng sikreto, mabubunyag at mabubunyag yan. Kasi magkakabutas ang lahat ng bagay. The possible future na ikaw, we have here the Empress. So, ang dami kasi inyo nagtitake, feeling nyo you will have some responsibilities na kailangan yung asikasuhin o nagtitake kayo ng mga responsibilities na sabihin natin na hindi naman talaga dapat kasi hindi naman yun talaga dapat ginagawa. Well, what I'm seeing here then also with the card of the Empress is that andoon na, ang dami sa inyo, you need the assistance of your mother figure. Ginamit ko yung term ng mother figure kasi hindi lahat tungkol sa nanay, yung biological. Meron iba sa atin na meron tayo titignan na parang yun yung pinaka-nanay natin. For advices, for guidance, for comfort. So, ito na yung moment, you need to look towards that person. Yun. So, kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share, and click the join button for extended readings. So, your emotional environment here is the card of the Chariot. Dami sa inyo kailangan nyo bumalik sa family nyo muna. Maybe for a family reunion, to recharge, to reconnect, to refresh yung life nyo with them. To double check, kumbaga mag-catch up. Kasi, alam mo yung dami sa inyo na naglulong ng embrace maybe ng father, comfort ng mother, memories with your siblings. So, ito na yon. Kailangan mong for your emotions. Kasi sa physical environment mo, we have here the card of strength. Dude, ang hirap magpanggap na malakas ha. Mas nakakapagod yun. Sinasabi ng card kasi not all the time we will be strong. At one point, mangangalay din tayo. At mahirap na hindi maganda na we are allowing ourselves or for the sake na ito yung na sa mga tao na hindi okay lang ako. Kaya then hindi natin nakukuha yung help na pinapadala ng universe. Dude, minsan ang universe magpapadala yan ng assistance sa pamamagitan ng ibang tao. Now, your hopes and fears is that Four of Swords. Hindi para sa lahat to. Pero mayroon ako dito nakikita na certain na fear. Kasi naka-reverse din siya. Na hindi ko kung kaya magre-resonate to. But have your father check medically. In all aspect. So, sana mali ako at this point. Ito yung mga readings na gusto ko mali ako. But sabi nga nila, prevention is better than cure. So, have your father or your father figure o yung tumatayong parang ama sa pamilya nyo or sa'yo to be checked by a medical professional. Please lang. Yun na yung lumalabas dito. Now, sa possible future na ikaw, we have here is the Taurus. Ay, the Taurus, the Hierophant. So, sa Hierophant kasi naka-reverse, so it's actually saying here na merong possible na event that you will need to have there will be a family gathering. This family gathering, hindi to magiging planado. It will be something na medyo biglaan. So, this is something that you will need to look forward, not really look forward. You need to prepare for. Kasi it's something, na medyo hindi ko gusto. So, again, this is a certain reading na, ito yung reading na ayoko, but I hope and pray I am wrong. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings sa'yo, but remember, these are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. And also, to access our extended readings, click the join button sa baba. Okay, so, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope magkita tayo sa extended reading. Mula po dito sa Baguio City, this is Airo. I'll see you po very soon. Bye now.